Sodium is a mineral found in many foods. It is essential for our bodies to function properly. However, too much sodium can be harmful, especially for our hearts. A high sodium diet can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Understanding the link between sodium and heart health is crucial. It helps us make better food choices. This essay will explore how reducing sodium intake can benefit heart health. We will also provide practical tips for maintaining a low-sodium diet without sacrificing flavor. It's important to note that sodium is often hidden in many of the foods we eat. From fast food to canned goods, sodium is everywhere. This makes it even more important to be aware of our sodium intake. Let's dive in and learn more about how a low-sodium diet can be your heart's best friend. Sodium plays several important roles in the body. It helps control blood pressure and blood volume. Sodium is also essential for muscle and nerve function. Our bodies need sodium to work properly, but only in small amounts. Too much sodium can cause the body to retain water. This can increase blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. It can also cause damage to the arteries over time. Most people consume much more sodium than they need. The average American diet includes more than twice the recommended amount. This excess sodium can lead to serious health problems, particularly for the heart. Understanding how sodium affects the body is the first step towards better heart health. It helps us make informed decisions about our diets. Reducing sodium intake can improve overall health and well-being. Health experts recommend limiting sodium intake to about 2,300 milligrams per day. For some people, especially those with high blood pressure, the recommended limit is even lower, around 1,500 milligrams per day. Most people consume far more sodium than these guidelines suggest. This is often due to consuming processed and restaurant foods. These foods tend to be high in sodium, even if they don't taste salty. It is important to read nutrition labels to monitor sodium intake. Many foods contain hidden sodium. This includes bread, soups, and even some sweet treats. Awareness is key to managing sodium levels effectively. By following the recommended sodium intake guidelines, we can protect our hearts. It helps reduce the risk of heart disease and other related health issues. Making small changes can lead to big health benefits. High sodium intake is linked to several heart-related health issues. One of the primary concerns is hypertension, or high blood pressure. Hypertension is a significant risk factor for heart disease and stroke. When we consume too much sodium, it causes the body to retain water. This extra water increases the volume of blood, leading to higher blood pressure. Over time, this can put a strain on the heart and blood vessels. High blood pressure can cause damage to the arteries. This damage can lead to the development of plaques, which can block blood flow. If a plaque ruptures, it can cause a heart attack or stroke. Reducing sodium intake can help lower blood pressure. This, in turn, reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. A low-sodium diet is a simple, effective way to protect your heart and improve your overall health. Benefits of a low-sodium diet. A low-sodium diet offers numerous health benefits. One of the most significant is the reduction in blood pressure. Lower blood pressure means less strain on the heart and blood vessels. Reducing sodium intake can also help prevent fluid retention. This is particularly beneficial for people with heart failure. It can reduce swelling and improve breathing and overall comfort. A low-sodium diet can also improve kidney function. The kidneys play a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. Less sodium means the kidneys can function more efficiently. Overall, a low-sodium diet can enhance quality of life. It can reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health issues. By making simple dietary changes, we can enjoy better health and well-being. Practical tips for reducing sodium intake. Reducing sodium intake doesn't have to be difficult. One of the easiest ways is to cook more meals at home. This allows you to control the amount of sodium in your food. Reading nutrition labels is essential. Look for foods labeled low sodium or no salt added. Be mindful of portion sizes, as sodium content can add up quickly. Using herbs and spices instead of salt can enhance flavor without adding sodium. Fresh herbs, garlic, and lemon juice are excellent options. Experiment with different seasonings to find what you like best. Another tip is to limit processed and restaurant foods. These foods are often high in sodium. Opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible. Making these small changes can significantly reduce your sodium intake. Flavorful low-sodium alternatives. You don't have to sacrifice flavor when reducing sodium. There are many delicious low-sodium alternatives. Fresh herbs and spices can add a burst of flavor to any dish. Citrus juices, such as lemon and lime, can enhance the taste of foods. Vinegars, such as balsamic or apple cider vinegar, can also add a tangy flavor. These options are great for salads and marinades. Using fresh vegetables and fruits can add natural sweetness and flavor. Roasting vegetables can bring out their natural flavors without needing added salt. Experiment with different cooking methods to find what you enjoy. Low-sodium broths and sauces are also available. These can be used in soups, stews, and other dishes. By choosing these alternatives, you can enjoy flavorful meals while keeping your sodium intake in check. Foods to avoid for a low-sodium diet. Certain foods are particularly high in sodium and should be avoided. Processed foods such as canned soups and deli meats are major culprits. These foods often contain added salt for preservation and flavor. Fast food and restaurant meals are also high in sodium. These foods are often heavily salted to enhance taste. It's best to limit these foods and opt for home-cooked meals instead. Snack foods, such as chips and pretzels, can also be high in sodium. Even seemingly healthy snacks, like flavored nuts, can contain added salt. Be cautious of these foods and choose low-sodium alternatives. Condiments, such as soy sauce and salad dressings, can also be high in sodium. Look for low-sodium versions or make your own at home. Being mindful of these foods can help you maintain a low-sodium diet. Heart-friendly foods to include. Including heart-friendly foods in your diet is important. Fresh fruits and vegetables are excellent choices. They are naturally low in sodium and high in essential nutrients. Whole grains such as brown rice and quinoa are also good options. They are low in sodium and high in fiber, which is beneficial for heart health. Incorporate these into your meals for added nutrition. Lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and beans are also heart-friendly. These options are lower in sodium compared to processed meats. They also provide essential nutrients needed for overall health. Dairy products such as low-fat yogurt and milk can be included in a low-sodium diet. These provide calcium and other essential nutrients. Choose low-sodium options whenever possible for the best benefits. Managing hypertension with low-sodium diets. Managing hypertension is crucial for heart health. A low-sodium diet can play a significant role in controlling blood pressure. This can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. One of the first steps in managing hypertension is reducing sodium intake. This can be achieved by following the tips mentioned earlier. Monitoring blood pressure regularly is also important. In addition to a low-sodium diet, other lifestyle changes can help. Regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and reducing stress are all beneficial. These changes can enhance the effects of a low-sodium diet. It's important to work with a healthcare provider to manage hypertension. They can provide personalized advice and support. Together, you can create a plan that works best for your health needs. However, embracing a heart-healthy lifestyle. A low-sodium diet is a powerful tool for heart health. It can help reduce blood pressure and lower the risk of heart disease. By making small, manageable changes, we can improve our overall health. Start by being mindful of your sodium intake. Read nutrition labels and choose low-sodium alternatives. Cook more meals at home and use herbs and spices for flavor. Include heart-friendly foods in your diet, such as fresh fruits and vegetables. Limit processed and restaurant foods. These simple steps can make a big difference in your health. Embrace a heart-healthy lifestyle. It can lead to a longer, healthier life. Remember, your heart is worth it. Make the choice today to start a low-sodium diet and enjoy the benefits.